Habayakaran bikin pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jengelang jangka kunhun menteri. Menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba ke Sorkar jela kala menjur ban Thied ke Jaka basanpo Akar ha kapung Nongmahir ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Nagbenta ban snai ke jingtai ban Kyntiew syuk ikikam Jngohkai ha ke jinglot ke bakot spok lor tengka. Kenang ban la ban pentre ke projek baper ke biadai bat ke kam Jngohkai perthai. Uloong bagi Sorkar kan pentrei ki projek kam Jngohkai bat on snai ke resort bat kiwei ke bedai bat kam Jngohkai. Ka kanun menteri ke lashi megarai ban penkiau no sanpo naya ya kador jeng yang diesel ha ka jela kam tam ha bagador jeng diesel ha pedang ke Meghalaya bat Assam ke per hado hendriau tengka arpulai naya. Ha Govt kador kalong kendai po tengka lai pulai naya kat bah khana para ha distrik Ribhoi kalong prapasau tengka shipau naya.
Procurement of land for tourism infrastructure, which is being done near Nongmahir Lake in Ribhoi. And this is being done, as I said, to increase the overall land bank with the state government so that tourism projects can take place. And we all know that this area, Nongmahir Lake area, is very beautiful and very scenic and has a huge potential for tourism. And hence, with the procurement of this land, we will be able to take up tourism projects in this area. Second decision that was taken was regarding the increase in terms of the rate of tax on diesel. As you're aware that the price of diesel between Meghalaya and Assam as of now is quite high. Guwahati, the rate is 90 rupees 33 paisa, whereas in Khanapara it is 84 rupees 10 paisa. That means a difference of 6 rupees 23 paisa in diesel is there right now between Khanapara and Guwahati. And hence, obviously looking at the overall revenue for the state, we have decided to increase it in a first stage by 50 paisa. And so as I said, we will keep two things in mind. Number one, that there should be a kind of a difference in the rate so that we have a rate advantage between Guwahati market and the Ribhoi and Khanapara market. And number two, that we will always keep in mind the national average so that the overall rates do not go above the national average. And we have been always maintaining that Meghalaya is, as of now, maintaining one of the lowest rates of petrol price and diesel price in the country as of now. In terms of the value-added tax, when it came to excise as well as to petrol and diesel. Basically, the decisions that were made, there were multiple decisions made. I'm just combining all of them. The idea being is to streamline the overall collection of the VAT. With this, there is no change in the rate, so there's no impact on the consumer. But small changes like the time within which the concerned business houses should pay the VAT collected to the government as per the collections taken place. So the timings of that have been changed. Earlier, for example, just giving you a small example, earlier, for example, in the petrol pumps, they had a period of 3 months of reconciliation for the VAT. So which means that if the VAT was collected on day 1, they could wait till day 100 to pay the VAT money collected by them already to the government. They would have about 100 days to pay that amount to the government. We have reduced that and we've made it into 30 days. So within a month's time, they have to reconcile, and whatever VAT has been collected, they should submit it to the government exchequer.